In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your primary home header dashboard panel and customize your site header in Chrome. To get started, open your website dashboard in Google Chrome and navigate to your primary home header panel screen. This is the area where you can control how the top section of your site looks and behaves. The header is one of the first things visitors notice, so making thoughtful adjustments here can improve both appearance and usability. Once you're on that screen, click Edit. This will open the controls for the current header section and allow you to make changes directly to the layout. Take a moment to confirm that you're working on the correct header, especially if your site uses different headers for different pages or sections. Next, move your cursor over the navigation header bar alignment zones. As you hover, you should see editable areas become available. When the option appears, click Edit Site Header. This will take you into the more specific header settings where you can adjust the structure and the visible components of your navigation area. From here, select Elements. In this section, you can turn different action items on or off depending on what you want to display in your header. For example, this is where you would toggle buttons, social icons, or a shopping cart display. These options help shape the functionality of your header, so it's a good idea to keep only the items that are useful for your visitors. A cleaner header often makes navigation easier and gives your site a more polished look. After that, select Design. This area controls the visual styling of the header itself. Here, you can modify menu link spacing rules, which affect how close or spread out your navigation links appear. You can also adjust layout alignment matrices to change how elements are positioned within the header. In addition, this is where you can update border styles, which can subtly define the header area and support the overall design of your site. As you make these changes, try to keep consistency in mind so the header matches the rest of your branding. When you're satisfied with the updates, click Save. This is the final step that applies your changes. Before leaving the editor, it's helpful to quickly review the header and make sure everything looks aligned, balanced, and easy to use. That's it. You've now updated your site header by editing the panel, adjusting header elements, refining the design settings,